Hi, I'm Vanessa with Community Natural Foods, and today we're going to be making blondies with sweet potato flour as an alternative. So we'll be making a recipe that has no wheat flour in it. So we're going to get started with half a cup of almond butter, and then we are going to add in melted butter and melted cacao butter. Whisk that together. This is like a really quick and easy recipe that you can just quickly whip up for yourself. You're gonna whisk the almond butter and the cacao butter together until it's smooth, and then you're going to add your eggs one at a time. It's like a strawberry blonde. Whisk together, you're going to then add your coconut sugar, your sweet potato flour and your coconut flour. Whisk that together. And then we're going to take some chocolate chips, about a handful. You're going to fold those in. Then you're going to take a non-stick pan. You're going to pop those in and bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20-25 minutes. And they're going to be a little bit more doughy and soft and chewy like a brownie. And so once these are done, we'll bring them out and we'll show you the final product. Alright, so these took about 20 minutes in the oven at 350 and they've come out and they look really, really great. They're going to be dense and chewy and really delicious. So I hope you enjoy the recipe and trying it out at home. If you like it, please subscribe. Give us some thumbs up if you really enjoy it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we'd love to hear from you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.